I've absolutely had a blast using this bird feeder. I've got to see many different types of birds. I actually got to capture a pretty good sized hummingbird that I didn't even know was in my yard. But my absolute favorite feature is the AI bird identification inside the app. It can identify over 10,000 bird species. So all you do to access the AI features is you click on the More Info button under the video. And it will let you know what kind of bird it is. And if you want to know more information, you just click on the bird and it gives you a detailed description of the bird. The app also comes included with a share feature. You can explore other people's bird videos and share your own. I got this awesome new smart bird feeder with solar panel. This thing is packed with many different features, including AI technology. It comes in this nicely packaged box. This is a great gift idea. Let's see what's all included. First thing we're going to start off with is installing this bracket. Alright, so once you get done installing the bracket for your bird feeder, then it's time to install the bracket for your solar panel. Alright, so once you get your bracket installed for the solar panel, then all it's time to do now is put your solar panel on. Alright, now you can connect your solar panel to the bird feeder. And then you can install your bird feeder to the bracket. Okay, I just got done installing it and connected it to the app. And this thing takes really high quality HD video. And also it's got a great built-in microphone. All that's left to do now is put some bird seed in. Let's get to it.